guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to prepare a smoked fish dish from Garo Hills, which is locally known as Natok gran. Smoked fish is a versatile ingredient that has endless uses, and today's recipe is going to be tomatoes with smoked fish stew, which is not just healthy but relatively quick and easy to make. So now let's check out the ingredients. Smoked fish, sliced onions, sliced green chilies, diced tomato, salt, and some coriander leaves for garnishing. Now let's start cooking. Take a pan, then add your chopped onions, diced tomatoes, sliced green chilies, and salt. Stir it well. Cover and cook it on a medium flame until the tomato starts releasing its water. This should take about 5 to 8 minutes. Now open, cook and stir slowly until the tomatoes are completely cooked. Add 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Now add your smoked fish by either crumbling or chopping them into pieces and let it cook for 5 minutes. Finally, garnish it with chopped coriander leaves . And our delicious smoked fish with tomatoes is ready. The stew is super delicious, light and mildly tangy, and also has the smoky flavor from the fish, which goes perfectly with some steamed rice. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing and leave your comments below.